Walmart once reported losing $3 billion in sales in 2013 due to inventory mismatches and out of stock. That's a billion down the drain. Nobody knew what was missing until it was too late.
So the real problem, which was known by the MIT research, turns out to be, though there is stock in the warehouse by the Walmart, the employees in the stores didn't restock it in the stores. So this small issue for a big chain like Walmart is going to cause billions, and that's exactly what happened previously. So to overcome this, we came up with this innovative solution where we are using drone-based AI tech, where a small drone, even smaller than this, is an FPV drone, and a drone which is even smaller than this can be used, which is of this size, called as tiny hoops. These drones will be doing the work forward, which is going to tackle this task. And
Our FPV drones use YOLO V5 to detect items and identify empty spots in a split second, purely via vision.
now, purely via vision means we can be using APIs like Google API or using techniques like YOLO V8, YOLO V5, and so on. Right now, for sake of demonstration purposes, we are using YOLO V5, and going forward, we can also implement even better solutions there.
When spot goes empty, the system pushes an alert instantly. This kind of proactive visibility could have saved Walmart's those billions back in the day.
Okay, now we'll be going forward with demonstrating how we are going to do it. We are using our web interface which we created, and also using the drone for the sake of camera intake. And just so you know, just for the sake of demonstration, since it's indoor, we are not going to fly the drone, but for the proper real-time demonstration, real-time usage, the drone will be flying in a defined pathway, and that's how we are going to do it.
This is a pure MVP vision based, fully functional yet scannable. Yet in future, we can easily add barcodes and RFIDs to double down on accuracy.
So this is the web interface of ShelfScan AI. Here you can see we already have active alerts which says that there are a few empty shelves which need a restock. We also have a status here which says if you have a good stock, low stock, or an empty, critical, so and so. So this is going to tell us if we are supposed to restock it on a priority basis. Now if you go to alerts or all alerts, we can see it shows us the product name and the location of the product. You can manager or an employee, you can click on acknowledge alert so that we know that someone has seen this issue and is going to solve it soon. You can also click on all statuses and click on acknowledge only to see what are all acknowledged till now. Going back to the dashboard, this is where we have all the current shelves loaded, which is supposed to be restocked soon. Now let me give you a small example on how a drone is going to help us here when a manager looks at a shelf and asks to rescan it. So basically, you see here, it's telling you that there are 4 products in this. Let's see what are the products. It says a phone charger, Nestle water packet, and a KitKat bar with a phone case. Now let's say a manager wants to rescan this shelf to know what are the products in this. Now when you click on rescan here, it's going to trigger a notification to either the drone pilot or the drone if it's already set and if it's already set in a defined path. Now clicking on rescan, is going to send a notification to the drone pilot. Now let's assume the drone pilot is flying the drone. As you can see here, the drone pilot is flying the drone and he's scanning the shelf. Now here in the shelf, it says, you're supposed to click on start auto detection as you're the manager. Once you click on start auto detection, it's going to detect what's in the shelf, and you can simply click on stop detection and update it to the shelf. Once this is done, if you can go back to your shelf and see what's in the details. As you can see here, it detected that there are three current stocks and the threshold is 5 units, so it's going to mark it as low stock again. Now, though this is not accurate, it's up to 85% accurate just because it's working on a local browser basis. Once we implement APIs like Google Vision AI or Anthropy by Claude AI, then it's going to be working up 90% usage. Now, this is how we are going to overcome this issue. Thank you.